Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos, the English channel. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the details and how to join the parts of the sleepy head. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications of my new videos. Well, let's go with a step by step. In this tutorial you will learn how to make the details of the eyes and how to sew the pieces of the sleepy head to finish your doll. We start making the details of the eyes. So take the head and you have to see where you started and where you finished, and we pass the tapestry needle with the black yarn from the bottom part in between of the rows 12 and 13. We have to leave a tail on the bottom part, and we have to make a diagonal 2 stitches to the right in a diagonal. Place the yarn, place the needle here and make a diagonal on the other side to the top, also to the right. And pass again the needle through the center, through the bottom stitch, through the stitch in the center, and then we have to make the other eye separated by like 5 stitches. So place the yarn, place the needle on this stitch and make the same, make a diagonal to the bottom part and a diagonal to the top part. And once you finish the second eye, you have to pass the needle through the bottom part of the head again, where we have the other piece of black, and we have to make 2 knots on the bottom part to secure this black yarn. And cut the yarn. We finished the detail of the eyes. It's really easy. Now we have to sew the hat on the head. We have to place the part where we have the tail. We have to place it on the back part and place the hat on the head. You can use needles, pin needles, to fix where you have to place the head. And then with a tapestry needle you have to sew the hat on the head. Take the needle and you have to take one part of the head and one part of the hat, and you have to make it slowly and 1 or 2 stitches at the same time, and you have to sew all the sides of the hat on the head. Once you finish, you can pass the yarn through the bottom part and cut the yarn. Now you have to join the body on the bottom part of the head. You should leave also the tail on the back part, and you have to turn a little bit the head like this, and also place the pins if you want, or you can sew it without the pins. The pins will help you to fix the body once you are sewing. And you have to make the same that you made with the hat. Pass the needle through the body and through the head at the same time to sew it like this, and you have to go slowly. And sew all the stitches of the body with the head. Once you finish the body, you have to sew the arms. If you want, you can leave this part of the change of the color on the inside of the body here like this, and you have to also place the pins. And with a tapestry needle you have to sew both sides of the arm at the same time on the body. And in my case I will place the tail of the yarn on the neck and cut the yarn to secure it. and you have to repeat the same. Try to join the second arm at the same row that you placed the first arm. And repeat the same that you made with the first arm. Place the pin needles, and with a tapestry needle you have to sew the second arm. And once you finish the second arm, you finish your sleepy head or sleepy doll. Well, that's all. I hope you like it. It's really easy how to join and how to make the details of this doll, and you can use this technique to join the pieces of all the amigurumis. And remember, if you like it, you can give me a like, subscribe and share this video. See you on the next video.